Alright, first day with the GoPro on the head mount. Kind of comfortable. The clip doesn't work on my hat as well as I'd like to, but this head mount is quite comfortable. I should be able to work with it, no problems. So we're just gonna record our walk to work this morning. Maybe Kara can show you the day of my morning, or at least my way to work. My Monster, sugar-free. Shit, I forgot my keys. Let's try it again.
So this gives dead sound for a hot minute, so please enjoy some royalty-free elevator music.
Oh, look at that. Look at the timing on this. I'm recording my first trip to work with my GoPro, and the boss comes to pick me up at the corner. With this niece, I'm gonna hop in the back. So, this is the back of the van. You can see the boss. It's dark back here. Back alley and the van. I'm recording. Hi, Kara. Hi, Mac. There you go. Say hi, boss. Or leave it in.
Yeah, no, I'm leaving that one in.
So I showed you the back way into Flaggers. Ha 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 ha. No pun intended. Say hi to Bailey.
Hello.
And Mark. Mark is here.
Oh, what up?
We're recording. I'm documenting this process.
Oh, dude, I did not even see that on your phone.
That's awesome that you didn't see that.
The first thing I noticed, goddamn snake.